Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jay. Welcome back to another video. It's a long time no see, you guys. I've been taking a little break, honestly, of the longest break ever. I'm shit. Can't keep up with stuff. But anyways, moving on. We're not going to talk about why or whatever. Maybe just because laziness hit me, I guess. But anyways, we have a brand new video today because I was scrolling through Instagram, and I love to see other videos where people do their makeup, you know, like a little mini tutorial. And I came across this picture. Very pretty look. I loved it, and that's something like I really want to try today. So this is the picture right here. So that is my attempt for today. Pray for me. So the perfect palette, when I saw this look, the perfect palette to use is obviously the Morphe X James Charles palette. I haven't used this palette in a long time, but I'm really excited to do this look. So anyways, if you want to know the process and the steps to get this look, continue on watching. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to try my best to do something similar. Probably, you know, change it up just a little bit, add my own little stuff to it, but as similar as I can get it to, something similar to that. So yeah, you guys, so I already did eyebrows off camera, and I applied some concealer to my eyelids. So this is the palette. Everybody should know what the palette looks like. I barely use this palette. It's been a long time I haven't used this palette. So the first shade I'm going to go into is this orange color right here, and we're just gonna buff that out. So we're just gonna get a Morphe R39, and we're just gonna buff that out. So what I'm planning to do, I'm just gonna go ahead and do one eye on camera and the other one off camera, because this might be a long process, maybe. So we're just still packing on some of that orange color we went to. Alright, so I kind of want to go into like a more of a smaller brush and go in some to that red orange color, and we're gonna just add that to the crease of the eye, and I'm just gonna blend that out there. Gonna go back into the orange and then just, you know, blend those two together. This is looking amazing. So we're going to do a crease. We're going to do a half, well, really a middle, like a little, what do you call that, a halo? I think that's what people call it. We're going to do a halo. So I'm gonna go in with my ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and I'm gonna go in with my Coca-Cola Morphe X Morphe flat brush. So that's it. Because I know a lot of you ask what kind of brushes I use to do a look. So sometimes I may not remember what do I use because I barely look at the names of the brushes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and call them out as best as I can and show it off. because sometimes when I'm editing and I am filling in the description box, I tend to forget what I use. So bear with me. Awesome. Which I'm gonna go back in a little bit with that orange and red, so we could go ahead and blend out a little more of the outside. Alright, so now I'm just gonna grab my little sponge and just set that concealer in there, that shape that we just did. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with a much smaller brush. This is the Morphe M456. And I'm going to go in with some purple. So I'm going to show you the purple right here. This is like the lightest shade of purple there. And we're just going to add that to the outer and the inner crease. Well, inner outer corner of the eyeball. All right, now I'm gonna add some to the other end. That's good. Now I'm gonna go in with some blue, which would be this like lightest, well, more like of a purple bluish combined together. And now I'm going to go into the white. I'm gonna grab another flat brush and then add some of that white. Alright, so now I'm just gonna go back in with those other colors and just blend these out. Alright, so I kind of want to add a little bit of a glitter to it. So I'm gonna go in with some Naked Cosmetics, and this is cosmetic glitter, and this is in crystal white. I have my NYX Professional Makeup Glitter Primer, so we're gonna add that to the middle. Voila, honey boo boo, that's what we got. So I'm gonna go ahead and add lashes off camera. Add lashes off camera and do the other eye off camera, so I will be right back. Okay, you guys, so we just finished this eye look, and I don't know if it's just me, but when I do my makeup, I noticed that the eyeshadow doesn't make any sense. Like, it could look so hard, but when you put on those lashes, it's just like a game changer. Like damn. Just saying, I don't know if it's like, if it's just me, but I just feel that type of way. Just feel that type of way. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and do this face. We're gonna go ahead and add a little bit of Kypress Glow Serum. All right, and for a primer, I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. Foundation, I'm going to go in with the Beauty Creation Flawless Stay Foundation Medium to Full Coverage, and I'm in the shade FS 6.0. And I'm just going to go in with a Sculpting Dual Brush from BSB. And now I'm just gonna go in with a beauty sponge to just set that in. Okay, now for concealer, I'm going to go in with the ColourPop No Frills Concealer, and I'm in the shade Medium Dark 30. Alright, for setting powder, I'm going to go in with the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder, which I am running out. Jesus Christ, I need more. All right, so now I'm gonna grab some bronzer. I'm gonna go in with the Amazonian Clay Matte. I'm gonna go in with the Clay Matte Waterproof Bronzer. This is by Tarte. Tarte it is. I'm gonna go ahead and dust some of this off. And go back in with a palette and do the under eyes. And for blush, I'm gonna go in with the Kenya Beauty. I don't know. Beauty and Shine Kit. And we're also gonna use some of the highlight. So for lips, we're gonna go in with the MAC Stain lipstick. And this is in the color Mocha. Shit. Right, you guys, so now for some setting spray, we're gonna go in with the Jeffree Star X Morphe setting spray. All right, you guys, so this is the final look. So you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys love the makeup look. And if you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, drop some comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.